What I have here is a Chamberlain made garage door opener where there was a bird's nest up on top there and the chain jumped off. So before you hook the chain back up, there is this shaft here. You want to make sure that's not broken. There is a weak point in there to save the motor, and that's in good shape. But if you just hook your chain back up in the wrong spot, that'll snap off. So what we're going to do, I have the cover off and I do have the unit unplugged right now. I'm going to plug it in and activate the garage door opener until we know it's in the down position. Some older models have screws on the opposite side where it has a limit switch. This one has an electronic one. Okay, I'll have my assistant touch the garage door button there. And when that stops, that'll be in the down position. Okay, next you're going to want to do is on the adjuster here, take a wrench here and loosen this up so this shaft here is way back here. Okay, I took the slack adjustment and made a lot of slack in the chain. Now we'll go and loop it over our front guide there and on the sprocket on the opener. Okay, if you have an older model, an older Craftsman, a Chamberlain, and they have the limit switches on there, you can make sure that it's in the down position because we have the garage door down. On the top here, I have it on the sprocket, and I still have the unit unplugged. You can go ahead and put your cover back on now. Okay, the unit is still unplugged. I do have the covers back on there, and now we will go ahead and make sure our chain is all straight and tighten up our adjuster. Okay, what I'm going to do to tighten this up is I'm going to put a wrench on the back side here, keep it from twisting the chain, and then I'm going to take this nut here. That'll pull the chain tight. You want the chain to hang down in the center about a half an inch below the rail. Okay, we got the chain hanging down about a half an inch from the top of the rail there. Looks good. It's nice and straight. What I'm going to do now is disengage the carriage, and then we'll plug the unit in and make sure that it goes back and forth smoothly. Once that's done, we can re-engage the carriage, and if we need to, adjust the height of the door. Okay, running the carriage back, and it'll lock in. Okay, I replaced the sprocket cover on there. Everything looks good.